Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is all about solving past paper questions on trigonometry. So let's get started. We're going to be solving question 18 from paper 2, variant 1, October-November 2023. Here's question 18. It says to calculate the value of y. So we know the value of this angle is 105 degrees, and we also know the length of the side opposite to this angle, which is 16.2 centimeters. We also know we have to find the value of this angle, which is y, and we also know the length of the side opposite to this angle, which is 8.3 centimeters. Since we are dealing with two pairs of angles and their opposite sides respectively, and we have to find the value of an angle, we can use the sine rule formula for a missing angle to find the value of y. Substituting respectively into the formula gives us the sine of y over 8.3 equals to the sine of 105 over 16.2. Now we solve for y. Multiply both sides by 8.3. Then take sine inverse of everything on the right side. This gives us y equals to 29.6623, and so on. Rounding to one decimal place gives us y equals to 29.7. Therefore, the answer is y equals to 29.7 degrees. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find more videos like this in the playlist. I'll be back with another video soon.